Monitoreal. Installation and setup. First, connect the Ethernet and power supply cables, and when the device starts, wait for its IP address to show on the LED screen. Enter the IP address into your web browser to access the Monitoreal interface, using the default credentials SmartView, SmartView. Once logged in, click Camera Search before adding your camera credentials to immediately search for your cameras. You can also add your cameras manually if you wish. Once your cameras have been found, you can manage each individually as per your preferences. Start by linking each camera to the Monitoreal device with the on-off toggle set to green. Currently, Monitoreal works with up to 8 cameras. However, if you have more than 8 cameras, then you can simply select the cameras that really matter to you. In this example, the user wishes all 5 of their cameras to be linked to the device. You can also rename each camera and modify the camera settings for the best results. Be sure to save any changes to the settings. Next, you can create track zones, a feature where you can draw specific areas that you want activity detected or not within the camera's field of view. Here, the user chooses an exclusive area that they want Monitoreal to ignore activity. Again, you can rename the track zone as you wish, in this case, Garage Street. In this example, the user chooses to exclude the gated area at the front of the garage street, where there will be people and vehicles passing by. Using the octa-norm, you can create any number of zones in the camera field of view. This is helpful if you want Monitoreal to ignore people and cars on a busy street. Alternatively, there may be an important area like your front door or parked car where you want any activity to be detected. Within this red track zone, any activity will be excluded and not trigger a real-time notification, whereas any activity outside this red track zone will. Once you have created the track zone, you can also select if you want the zone to be displayed on any alerts you receive. Again, remember to save your changes. In this next example, the user renames the camera focused on their front door. And will now choose the objects that they actually want to be detected. A person and vehicles are set as default. However, here the user also wishes Monitoreal to detect dogs when at least one is identified. You can also create start and end times, for example when you're away from your home, plus how often you wish to receive notifications when a dog is detected and still present. Now, the user checks all the cameras are linked and ready to use. The Settings tab allows you to choose options such as how you wish to receive notifications, how to manage the system, and other settings. One new feature is the ability to connect the Monitoreal device via Wi-Fi, meaning you can now place the device anywhere in your home. Monitoreal. See what matters, ignore what doesn't.